Good morning, student. Student, in today's video class, we are going to study about the first item of short composition, that is notice. Student, notice in exams comes of 4 marks, and as far as its marking scheme is concerned, 1 mark is for format, 2 marks are there for content, and 1 marks is there for expression. So now the question arises here, dear student, what is a notice? So notice is a very short piece of writing actually, which is usually formal in style, and it is widely used by individuals and organizations only. So second question arises here, what is its purpose? Well, a notice writing is used for it's used to announce events and celebrations and births and deaths, occasions like in inaugurations or sales, or to issue public instructions, to make appeals, or to extend invitation, etc. Right? And it is, notice is written to a large group of people only. Generally, there are some display boards. On those display board, notices are to be pinned up in schools and public places and newspapers only. So we can say that a notice is an announcement which is circulated in the form, in the written form, to give some important information to a large group of people only. A student, a notice can be about a meeting, about an event, any excursion, right? So there can be different kinds of notices only. And there are some vital points which a notice must include, and they are that name of the institution or the issuing authority should be there in it. The word notice in bold letter should be there. Date of issue of that notice should be there. Subject or title of the event is an integral part of the notice. And content, in content, when you are writing content, in content, date, time, duration, place, venue, all these points must be a part of the notice. And on the bottom left hand side, uh, authorities, signatory should be there, name and signature should be there of the issuing authority, means the from whose side the notice is being written only. And its format you can see here. First of all, name of the school or the organization come there on the top left hand side. Then there should be some space, notice, word notice should be there. On left hand side of it, date is to be written. In when you are writing date, month should be in words. Then there should be some space, subject of the notice, subject or title should be there, and then content should be started. So content can be started anyway. It should be formal way, right? Like it is to be notified to every one of you. All are hereby informed that it is to inform every one of you, etc., etc. And then, as I told earlier, on the bottom left hand side, signatory, signature of the issuing authority, name of the issuing authority, and the designation should be there, right? And there are some points which we must bear in mind when while we are writing this notice. Like this should be in passive voice, and word limit should be 40 to 50, as it is a short composition. And it should see, clarity should be there so that it should not cause any misunderstanding or confusion. Heading of the notice should be catchy or attractive, and it should be written in bold letters only. No grammatical error should be there in it, right? So these are the points. Let us see one example of it. Like your J or Jaya Security Interact Club, Shyamla Memorial Hall, Trichy. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be put up on your school notice board, asking the asking all the students to persuade their parents and neighbors to donate blood in the blood donation camp to be organized in your school campus by the blood in the blood donation camps to be organized in your school campus by the Lions Club as part of your club activity. So here many information we have already got from the question itself only, like the name of the school is already given here. The event, we know the event is blood donation camp, right? And we know this last part in which you have to write your name, your designation, right? So name and designation is already given here. So let us see how it can be written. The name of the school is written here on top, Shyam Memorial Hellam Tichi. Then there is a space, as you can see, and the word notice is written in bold letters, as you can see here. In the left hand side, the date is written, as I explained you, that the name of the month should be written in words. So it's written in words only. Then title is written. Title is blood donation camp. And let us see what is there. It can be, started in any way, but the way should be formal. So how they have started this is to inform all the students and staff members that the interactive club of the school, in collaboration with the Lions Club, is going to organize a blood donation camp on the eve of school foundation day. So this much information is already given in the question, and all the students are requested to persuade their parents. This is information which we have, given from our side. All the students are requested to persuade their parents and neighbors to donate blood for the for this noble cause of humanity. And apart after it, we have to just mention date, on which date this event is there, what will be the timing of this event, what will be the venue. The timing is 20th of March. Time and date is 20th of March. Timing is 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Venue is cricket ground in school campus. And one more appealing point is written there in the last. Donate the blood generously. It can save precious life. Donors will be provided you know a donor certificate with light refreshment. For registration or further query, please contact undersigned. And here what is written undersigned? What is written? Name of the person who has written it, and its designation is written there in the bracket, and the name of the its designation is the secretary of which club, interact club. So its designation is written. So writing notice is very simple thing. All we have to pay attention it's its format. Thank you.